In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to back up your Shopify store efficiently. With e-commerce playing a pivotal role in today's business world, ensuring your online store is backed up is crucial. A backup allows you to restore your store if anything goes wrong, like accidental data deletions or unauthorized access. So, let's dive into the process and make sure your Shopify store's data is safe and secure. First, before we begin the actual backup process, it's essential to understand what we can and cannot back up on Shopify. While Shopify automatically backs up some of your data, having your own backup adds an extra layer of security, giving you full control over specific aspects, such as your products, themes, and customer details. Remember, taking regular backups is a good practice to adopt as part of your store's maintenance. Let's start with exporting product data. Head over to your Shopify admin dashboard. From here, click on Products on the left-hand side. You'll see all your products listed. Locate the Export button usually at the top of the product list. Click it, and you'll be given a few options to choose from. Decide whether you want to export the current page, all products, or products that are more specific through filtering. Opt for CSV for Excel, Numbers, or similar software since it's the most versatile file format for such data. After selecting your preferences, hit Export Products. Shopify will send you an email with a CSV file containing your product details. Once you receive this email, it's a good idea to download it immediately and store it safely, preferably in a cloud storage service like Google Drive or Dropbox to ensure it's accessible whenever you need it. Now, let's focus on backing up your theme files. Navigate to the Online Store section from your dashboard. Under Themes, find the theme you want to back up. Click on Actions, then select Download Theme File. Shopify will package your theme files and email you a download link. This file is essential. It includes your theme's coding and design settings, so keep it safe. Next, for customer data, you'll want to repeat a similar process with exporting as we did with products. Go back to your admin and click on Customers. Again, you'll have the option to export by clicking the Export button here. Choose to download all customers or a selected group, depending on your preferences. Receiving this data via email, just like with products, you should download and securely store it following the same protective measures. Finally, take a moment to check whether you're using any third-party apps on Shopify. Some apps offer built-in export features, which can save you time and effort. Check app settings to see if they offer an export or backup option for any additional data they manage. Backups can seem tedious, but having them sets you up for success and minimizes disruptions to your business. Regular backups help ensure you're prepared for any unexpected tech hiccups. Thank you for watching, and remember to practice regular backups for the safety of your online business. It's a worthwhile investment for your peace of mind.